Hi friends, it's Julia. I'm here to share my March 2020 and my April 2020 kit hauls. Now for March, I did not get a Felicity Jane paper kit, an embellishment kit. For whatever reason, they were having some difficulty with their suppliers, so they just sent out a mass email saying they were not going to provide a kit for the month. They did give us, if you're a member, they did give us a discount, and I did order a a grab bag box, and I've put that stuff away. It was just a few embellishments. It really wasn't a ton of stuff as far as anything new or exciting. It's all stuff that's been in their product line for a long time, and yeah, so I didn't feel like I needed to show that. But I did get a Felicity Jane kit, or a Freckled Fawn kit for last month, and this is it from March 2020. Now the Freckled Fawn kit, I was getting just the minimum kit, and when I stopped my Stamps of Life subscription, I went ahead and upgraded, and now I'm getting the chipboard as well as the wood veneer if it's available for the month. Plus I'm still getting my 2 sets of alphabets. My cost, I think, went up by about $5 or $6. So these are the alphabets. They look like cork. Really cute, and they're nice and thin. They're not a super thick alphabet. I have these labels, and they have the cork look as well as the solid colors, and then a couple of images, and then one phrase down here that says "so very awesome." The washi tape, again with the cork, and then it's got the blue, and it's got "so very awesome" on the washi tape, and then airplane images and camera images, a star, and then a geotag with the heart in the center. The enamel dots are hearts. I love these hearts, and they're wonky hearts. They're not absolutely straight, and I feel like I can use these so much easier than I can enamel dots for some reason. And then the wood veneer is a geotag, of course, with the heart cut out in them, and then they included the little hearts there. And then the chipboard are all of these images. They do have a couple with cork as the background. Then there's map images. This says been there, done that. That says fun. Camera with a click. Wanderlust, worth it, story. Stars, circles, a globe. What looks like a globe with the, I think it's probably ledger paper, but it's more circular, kind of like that one. It makes me think of a globe where it lists the longitude and latitude on a globe. Yeah. So anyway, that's what I got for the March Freckled Fawn kit. And then for April, the kit that came in, oh wait, let me show you. Last month in March, they had this stamp available, and I fell in love with it and decided I had to have them. I had to have this set, and it's White Sugar Creative Designs, and I love, fell in love on the website. I love these outline boxes, and they have a title there. Those are so versatile, I think. So that I got in March. For April's Freckled Fawn kit, a little thank you gift, and I did get a thank you last month of those cork shapes with the silver on them, and they'll go into my stash, or they'll go into a giveaway box. The alphabet for this month is a mint color with silver tile alphabet. This is the chipboard set. It says do what you love, good day, love the little moments, hello sunshine, and then hi and yay, with an arrow here and hearts. Super cute images. The washi tape has hello sunshine across it, the clouds, the plus signs, diagonal stripes, and the scalloped shapes. Very cute. Then the labels, love those. They're all simple, basic shapes. This month, instead of heart shapes, they gave us these clear enamel dots. Oh, those are so cute. I should have ordered another package. And these, the wood veneer is cloud shapes, and they have little heart cutouts on 3 of them. So I know I can get all of those used. So that was for April 2020. Now the Felicity Jane kit came for the month of April, so I will show you what I have. This collection is called Grace. It comes with 6 12 by 12 pattern papers, double-sided pattern papers, and 2 double-sided coordinating solid papers. And then they stuck in here, it says March and April. Since we didn't get a kit for March, they went ahead and included this. And then there's the April. Super cute. Those are great if you're doing like a theme album or something that you want the same font to match. But you can see across here, like there's the floral pattern, and then the back side is a stripe, and then you've got 2 papers together. They were doing black and white on the back side for a long while, for several months, and now they just kind of intermix it. You've got 1, 2, 3 black and whites on the back side, but these papers are just so pretty. So here you see this, such a beautiful dainty floral, and then look at that black tulip along the bottom there. So cute. I love this. It's almost a crafty color yellow, and then this minty color with the daisies on it, and again a black and white border there. Super cute. Then this pink grid paper, which I like, and then the back side with the circles and the stripes. That takes a second because that almost kind of blinded me there. Made my eyes very dizzy. This set of the Multicolored Stars. They're lines of colored stars. And then the back is pink with a diamond image, and then that floral border piece there. And then a gingham in green. I like this gingham a lot better than the last couple that we've gotten that have been the very large gingham. I'm not crazy about those and find those difficult to use, but I think I might be able to use that smaller gingham. But really and truly, I love this side, and I think I'll probably use it for that. And then the border strip on that one is just a colored stripe. This one is a white with a black heart shape. Super cute. And then the back side is labels. How many of us are going, oh, I could cut all those apart? And then I'm thinking to myself, all of my Freckled Fawn kits have labels in them, so I don't think I'm going to cut this apart. As cute as it would be, if I have a scrap or something of that paper, I might cut some of those out, but yeah, that's not going to be my goal. There's pink. Oh, and that salmon color. Love that. A hotter pink color. And then that mint color on the back. Love those. So those are the papers. And then of course you get the 2 monthly titles. Because we didn't get the kit last month, they included the monthly title this month. Sorry, I undid that and it's sticking everywhere. So I went ahead, let me finish showing you this. These are the Puffy Stickers, the Grace Puffy Stickers, black and white. Very cool. This was the thank you card, and it's got a felted shape on top of a black and white grid. These are the designer tabs. Super cute. It looks like they're all the same size. I'm just going to grab them out real quick. So yeah, they're all the same size. Those actually have a sewn detail on them. They went through the process of sewing on some of these. Very cute. I really like those. I almost wish I had ordered an extra set. And these come with adhesive tape on the back of them already. So they are quite literally ready to go. Those would be great in a planner if you do planners. You know, like a bullet journal or something. The cards that you get, the pocket page cards. Very cute. It has that floral image on it, and the back of course is the grid. That yellowy, crafty yellow color, and it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and top 5, and the back is a dot grid. Pink tiny grid with the little lighter pink there, and it's got a larger grid on the back. The green gingham, and it's got an area at the top to put your journaling or title on. Dot grid. Just 3 color stripes and a dot grid. Love that color pink. Almost looks like a library card with date and details and a grid on the back. Then that rainbow and a dot grid. This is a polka dot, but it's an oval polka dot. So very cute with the dot grid. Oh, love that. That is like a pie chart, but it's a peace sign. I guess if you turn it around this way, it may not be an exact, no, probably not. They're not exactly, but it's kind of the shape of a peace sign, and it's got the different colors in it. The back is a grid. This phrase, it says, wherever life plants you, bloom with grace. That's beautiful. A grid on the back. That's just a row of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 simple stars, colored stars, a dot grid, that striped piece, and then a regular grid on the back. The alphabet that came with this is mint color Puffy Stickers. The stamp that came this month is beautiful. It says growing through it. This is what whatever looks like. Bloom with grace, and you can put any of these phrases down here. This is what love looks like. This is what hard work looks like. This is what today looks like. This is what no filter looks like. This is what home looks like. This is what happiness looks like. This is what real life looks like, and this is what a rough day looks like. And then bloom with grace, and then of course the name down here, Grace. That's just beautiful. Love that. And that floral image. The die cut pack, I won't pull all of those out, but there's floral images, the little image of grace, tags, labels, icons like an ampersand, a butterfly, a star, a circle, a leaf set, a camera, the word smile, and the word friend. Yeah, so lots of fun stuff in there. Then these little chipboard bits, and it says smile, remember, happiness, this, everything, best friend, love, stars, hearts, home, just darling. Very cute. And then a packet with a couple of extra. This has some clear, they look like sequins. I didn't open this before I pull it out. But it's got ticket shapes, and I don't know, those almost look like they've been stamped out. Huh, maybe so. I don't know, they're very cute. Oh, these are little gemstones. Well, those are sequins, and then it's got little gemstones. Oh, they look like gems. Are they? Yeah, that is a gemstone. And then those are the sequins that look like almost little bowls of sequin. And then, of course, a puffy star. That is not fabric. It's fabric on the back, but it's almost like a pleather feel on the front. Those are so cute and so fun. Yeah, there's not a whole lot of them in there, and that's okay. That just means I'll be able to get them used up, right? And then I went ahead, because I've been collecting the girl stamps since I joined their kit club, and this is Grace. Super cute. Also last month, I went to Hobby Lobby for something completely like my husband's super glue that he needed to put a model, a broken model back together. And of course I have to walk through the scrapbooking supplies. So I found this cutting die cut piece from Momenta, and I got it for $3. And it says regular price is $12.99, but it's got these floral images here. Super duper cute winter scenes, almost like holly leaves, and snowflakes. Almost looks like poinsettias in the middle, but not really. But super cute. I got this snowman piece. He was on for $3.74, normally $14.99. And you guys know I love paper piecing these things together. They always turn out so cute. And then I got these from Sizzix. These are regular $19.99 and I got them for $4.99. They're the Santa, Snowman, Penguin, and Deer that have mustaches, they have glasses, they have a monocle, they have bow ties, stars, what do you call them? Not headphones, earmuffs. So all of those dies are in this pack. So I look forward to creating some of those and paper piecing those together. So that's it. That's what I have gotten for the month of March as well as February. March as well as April of 2020. I don't perceive that I'm going to be doing any shopping, any further shopping for the month of April because, my family too is trying to budget a little bit more and be diligent about not buying things extra because of, worry about what the economy's doing. And even though I'm an essential employee, I'm in the healthcare industry, I'm not 100% sure that my job will continue because our overall census in the hospital is down because, I think it's because little kids are not being around older adults, and so they're not around each other sharing snot, you know what I mean? Kids just do, and they just breed those germs when they're with each other, and then they bring them home to the adults in their households, and then the adults get sick and end up hospitalized. And so because hospital admissions are down, that means that my job may slow down enough that I get some time off. It hasn't come to that yet, but it is a possibility as the weeks go by. It's a watch and wait thing, and we're still thinking that the crisis has not hit its apex yet. So it's not hit its peak, and we are waiting with bated breath, I guess you'll say. And I guess as time goes by, we'll see what happens. But for the moment, we're not buying anything extra at my house. Stuff that we don't absolutely need. So I think this is going to be it for a while for me. I'm not going to cancel my kit clubs. I'm going to continue to purchase those during the month. But anything extra, like I'm not going to be running out to Hobby Lobby because, well, they're closed. Or Michael's. Or I'm not going to be doing any online shopping. Yeah. As much as I would love to go out and stress spend, not going to happen. Yeah. So anyway, you guys stay safe, and thanks for sticking around and watching my video, and I will see you on the next one. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.